wait for 1 minute. Yeah. So a very good morning to each one of you. So today we will read the subject EVS, that is Environmental Sciences, Chapter 5, India, our Nation. We have already done this chapter. So today we'll be going to just revise. I'll be asking you questions. So whichever child will be asked the question, as already told you many times, you have to put your video on, or maybe at the same time I'll be unmuting 2 people. Okay, if I unmute 2 or 3 students, so whose name is being called, she only will put the video on and answer. Others will keep the video off till that time. When their turn will come, that time they will put on the video. Okay, so there will be no confusion. So let's a brief summary about the chapter. I'll be just giving you. So this is the chapter which you can see on your screens. Let's wait. Yeah, India, our nation. So a brief introduction of that. India is a vast and beautiful country. There are still who are joining. So just a minute, somebody is scribbling on the screen. Let me stop you from doing that. Yes. So India is a beautiful country. It lies in the continent Asia. So it is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also one of the most populated countries. See that? I hope there's no need to raise the hands. Right now, I'm not going to ask any one of you. So please be attentive. In between the lesson, I'll be asking you. So I just repeat again, India is a vast and beautiful country. It lies in the continent Asia. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also one of the most populated country of the world. So India again is a huge country. It is divided into states and union territories. So there are 28 states and 9 union territories in the country. New Delhi is the capital of India. So our country is shaped like a triangle. I showed you the map and I told you to draw the picture of a map in your EVS classwork copy, or you can paste the picture of Indian map there. So that's your wish. So the different states are there, union territories are there. The Andaman and Nicobar Island is the largest union territory of India, while Lakshadweep Island is the smallest. Now, you know, in union territories, Jammu, J&K, and Ladakh is also included. So you have to correct in the books. I have already told you in the last session. So the neighboring countries of India are the neighbor. Firstly, what are neighbors? Neighbors are people who live near a house. So similarly, the countries that lie close to or near India are our neighbors. So Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar are India's neighboring countries. So we also did what is a symbol. A symbol carries a meaning which can be represented through a picture or song. Symbols are things that stand for or represent something. So Nash, let me ask in between question to you. Let me ask. Wait, I'm going to the participants list. Somya is already unmuted. Yes, Somya. Yes, Somya. I have no answer from you. So let me go to the next. Yes, Sirat Kaur. Sirat, I've asked you to unmute you. No answer from you. Avika Manhas. Yes, Avika. What happened? No responses.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
telling. Yes. Oh, is it Avika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Avika. I'll be
Ma'am
explaining in
Ruhani.
1 minute, dear. Just a minute. I've unmuted 3 people. Why I did? When Somya did not reply, I had to switch over to Sirat. Sirat did not reply. I had to go to Avika. So who is the person right now? Is it Avika or Somya?
Ruhani.
Ruhani, but I didn't ask Ruhani. Let me see. Ruhani, where are you? Ruhani Gupta?
Ruhani Minhas.
One. That means you have put your name 1 minute. Ruhani Manas, right? Okay, Ruhani Manas. Very good, Ruhani. Just 1 minute. Just put on your video. Yes, whenever question is asked. So, what is a symbol? In between, I'll be asking you questions. Don't wait for last. Yes, dear. What is a symbol? Yes, Ruhani.
A symbol carries a meaning which can be
Okay, you are reading from the book, no problem. That means you have not revised. I told Leila yesterday only you have to revise whatever is being taught, and the definitions also I told you, which can be represented. Yes, say.
thought, a picture, or song.
Okay, let me ask the same
Symbols
question.
are things that hand for a
Ruhani, just me ask the same question. Let me ask somebody else. Yes, yes, 1 minute, dear. Ruhani, I've just muted you. Yes, Mahi.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahi, same question. Please tell me. What is a symbol? She was trying to say correctly, but I think she was unable to read few words. Now you say.
A symbol carries a meaning which can be represented thought a through a picture
Not
or
thought.
song.
Mahi, it's not
Symbol,
thought, it is true. Okay, say.
symbol are things that stand for or represent something.
Same thing I'm going to repeat little bit. Reading practice is to be required. A symbol carries a meaning which can be represented through a picture or song. Symbols are things that stand for or represent something. Okay. So students, even if you have not like revised the chapter, first of all, I have told you many times, whenever the lesson is taught, you have to revise the next day. And I'm not giving you much homework, little bit important definitions you have to remember. Even if you don't remember, you are reading from the book, but please read correctly, okay, without making mistakes. You are free to ask anytime. You can ask me how about the pronunciation of a particular word. Okay, so this I'll ask the other one. I'll begin again with the lesson. This is our nation, India, our nation. So the definition of symbol we did. So national symbols, symbols that stand for a country are called national symbols. So what are national symbols? Symbols that stand for a country are called national symbols. Every country has its own national symbols. The national symbols of India show the unity and strength of our country. So what do the national symbols represent? They show the unity and strength of our country. So we should respect our national symbols. So we should respect our national symbols. National flag. The Indian national flag is hoisted on two important days, that is Independence Day and Republic Day. So this flag represents our country in other foreign countries. So especially when you see when the sports people or any representative from our country goes to a foreign land, so he represents his own Indian flag and he or she is proud of, and one should be proud of your national flag, which represents your country, so which has a great importance. So India's national flag is made of three colors. The name of the three colors are saffron, white, and green. So it has a small wheel with 24 spokes. It is a small wheel in the center with blue color. It has 24 spokes, which is located in the middle of the flag. The national flag is a symbol of freedom and honor. So the color of the flags, they stand, saffron stands for sacrifice and courage, white signifies purity and peace, green signifies prosperity. So again I'll ask you questions. Yes, Kavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya, yes. 1 minute. From the lesson only, I'll ask just a minute. Yes. Yes, Kavya, are you there? Yes, Kavya. So how many
Yes, ma'am.
states India has? Yes, dear. How many states India has?
Ma'am, 28.
Yes, India has 28 states. Thank you, Kavya. So, Kavya. Shivanya Charak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shivanya. Question for you is, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is true. Okay, let me go to the next, Shivanya. 1 minute. Yes, Harneet. Harneet, no reply.
Yes,
Ask
ma'am.
me, 1 minute. Is it Harneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harneet, the question for you is, how many union territories are in India?
Ma'am, 9.
How many?
9.
Okay, right. Nine, you should say. Pronounce it correctly. Okay. There are 9 union territories. Jammu, Kashmir, and Ladakh. They are entered in that. You should know. Okay. Now I will ask. Somi, are you there? You have unmuted, but no response. Anshika Jasrotia, let me go to her.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika Jasrotia. Very good, Anshika. Now, very nice to see you, Anshika. The question for you is, which is the largest union territory of India? There are 9 union territories. So, which is the largest union territory of India? Name it. Just now I read in the lesson. That summary, that repeating the lesson again was only for you people. Firstly, I was thinking I will straight away ask questions, but I know these days you are doing a lot of masti. Yes, yes, Anshika dear. Which is the largest union territory of India? Okay, no problem, Anshika. No, nothing happens. I'll ask you. Anshika, thank you. I'll much mute you. I'll go to the next. Yes, Anvi. I don't know why they are, when I tell them to unmute, they are not doing that time only. Then they respond late. Anvi, is it you? No
Yes,
voice.
ma'am.
Anvi, question for you is, which is the largest union territory of India? Yes, Anvi, nice to see you on the screen. Yes, dear. Which is the largest union territory of India? I know it's, I'm talking about the book which is given in the book. Don't go for the, any changes are going on there, I know, but I'm talking which is relevant to the book. Okay. Let me go to Sanvi Sharma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, dear Sanvi, good morning. You can reply. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir.
Sure. I said whatever is given in the book. It can be right, it can be wrong. What is given in the book?
Ma'am.
I know Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh is entered in the uh, Union Territory. I first of all said, don't tell me Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh. Whatever is given in the book, you tell me that. Don't go for the changes. In the book, let me be, it is given Andaman and Nicobar is the largest union territory. So any changes, if there, I'll let you know, because in the book it is given 28 states, 29 states, then I told you 28. Okay. So you follow the book right now. Okay. So Andaman Nicobar is the largest union territory given there. So even if there are some changes, we'll see to it later on. Rasgun,
Yes,
and I'm just muting Rasgun. Your voice is not clear. Yes, Rasgun,
yes, ma'am.
are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can't see, we can see only Sanvi on the screen. So which is the smallest island? Sorry, which is the smallest union territory? Smallest union territory. That's good. Can't see Rasgun anywhere. Only Sanvi is on the screen. Sanvi, no, you're looking sad. What happened?
No, ma'am.
Nothing to worry. You can give right answers. You can be, because we have to learn from each other. What, Seerat, you are giving me wrong answer. I think Rasgun is not replying. So let me go to the next. Let me see. Aisha Malik. Yes, Aisha Malik. Seerat, no answer from Aisha. Seerat Kaur. No answer. What happened?
Yes,
Nobody.
ma'am.
See, you are. Is it who is speaking right now? I've unmuted 3-4 people. Okay, Seerat. Yes, dear. On the screen, which is the smallest
ma'am.
island? Yes, dear. Which is the smallest island? Everything to be referred from the book.
Ma'am, Lakshadweep Island.
Yes, Lakshadweep is the smallest island. Okay, dear. Lakshadweep is the smallest island. Thank you, Seerat. Thank you, dear. So, this was about few questions which you did. So let me go and share you this image. Yes, this is your map, which I told you you have to paste in your EVS classwork copy, or you can draw also if you want. The shape of your map is triangular. So many you can see different states being represented. You can see some, Sanvi, I'll just mute you. Yes. Asmi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Asmi, you can see the map. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, dear, yes, dear. The question for you is, name any 5 states of India. Name any 5 states of India. Yes, Asmi.
New Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Jaipur, Mumbai, Kolkata,
Yes,
Assam.
ask me, let me interrupt in between. I said states, and Delhi is the capital. Okay. Jammu and Kashmir is now a union territory, not a state. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, isn't it, dear? So you have to be careful. Okay, Asmi? So let me ask some other child the same question. Asmi, I'm just muting you, dear. So let me ask. Yes, Gurleen. Yes, Gurleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Gurleen, please name any 5 states.
Ma'am, Rajasthan,
Okay.
West Bengal,
Okay.
Uttar Pradesh,
All right.
Madhya Pradesh,
Right.
Gujarat,
Okay. Thank you.
Himachal Pradesh.
Okay. Okay,
Thank you,
dear.
ma'am.
Gurleen, I said 5. That's very good. You said 6. Okay, Gurleen. Thank you. These are the state students. So whenever a question is being asked, when I'm saying states, you have to say states. So now, next question is for, yes, Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
You can just put on the screen there. Let us see. We will become happy when you come on the screen, students. Yes. That is your friends, your classmates
ma'am.
can see. Yes, Kashvi, can you discuss? Don't be scared. No need to get nervous. I'm there with you. No need. So the whole class is with you. Very good, Kashvi. Nice to see you. Kashvi, could you just name any 5 union territories? Name any 5 union territories.
Jammu and Kashmir,
Yeah,
Ladakh,
right.
Delhi,
Okay.
Daman and Diu.
Where's 4? One more is there. I said 5 there. Any 5 union territories. One you can name any? Simple. Okay, Kashvi, no problem. One more is Chandigarh. Okay, dear. Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear. Kashvi. Okay, next I will go to, let me, yes, Damanpreet. Yes, Damanpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Damanpreet. Yes, dear. Can we see you?
Yes,
So, name
ma'am.
5 states of India. There are 5 union territories. So, the question for you is name any 3 neighboring countries of India. Because the countries that lie close to or near India are our neighbors. So, name any 3 neighboring countries, India. Students, why I'm asking, these are all internal questions. And when you practice this, you will get to know what type of questions are being asked. It will help you.
Jammu
Yes,
Kashmir.
their question is not clear to you, I think. And why you people are hiding? I don't know why. You are not coming on the screen. There's nothing to worry. Even if you don't know the answer, you can see from the book. Nothing is very, I'm saying don't see from the book, but you can come on the screen. It looks nice. Always you will see me only. So it's always good. Other students are all also visible on the screen. Daman, I think you don't know the answer. Let me go to another one. Yes, Pavneet?
Good
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
good morning,
Good
dear
morning.
Pavneet. Today your voice is clear, Pavneet. Nice to see you, dear. Yes, Pavneet. So name any 3 neighboring countries, dear. Yes,
Pakistan,
yes.
Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal,
Okay.
Bangladesh, Sri Lanka.
Okay, Pavneet. Thank you, dear. I asked 3, you said more. Very good. Very nice.
Thank
Thank you, Pavneet.
Thank you, ma'am.
So question for Japleen now. Japleen, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Japleen, question is
Yes.
India lies in which continent? Japleen, there are many continents. So India lies in which continent?
Asia.
Again, Asia, right. India lies in which continent is? Answer is Asia, right there. Thank you, Japleen.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Let me ask now who is left. I am trying Chitrakshi. Chitrakshi. No answer. Jayvardi. I think all are hidden. What happened? Kaira.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaira, name the capital of our country.
Ma'am,
Yes,
New
Kaira.
Delhi.
Very good, Kaira. Thank you, dear. New Delhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So let me ask Anvi, Arushi, Aisha. Chitrakshi is not responding.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear. Mridul Chaudhary. Mridul,
Yes, ma'am.
are you there, Mridul? Yes,
Yes,
Mridul. Mridul, let us see you on the screen. Mridul, please define what a national symbol. Define the term national symbol. Yes, Mridul.
National.
You are hiding, so I have to show my face on the screen. Okay, they are saying. See, that means just now I revised the same thing.
Country.
1 minute, Mridul. I just want somebody else also to say. I've just muted you, dear. Namanpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
Namanpreet, define the same answer. Give the same answer. Define the term national symbols, dear.
National symbols.
Yes. Yes, Naman.
Ma'am, Gandhi.
I said,
Ma'am.
what define the term national symbols? I didn't ask name that. There's a difference between define national symbols and name the symbols of India. That is different question, dear. Try to understand the question first of all.
Here are two. Ma'am.
Yes, dear. So let me ask Rohani Gupta. So I've given the
Yes, ma'am.